I'm no longer complimenting people. I bow down for everyone. My time.
I am who I am because I am who I am. I am who I am, take it or fucking leave it. But I put in the motherfucking work.
Every time I.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Back in another video, and today I'm going on a little hike. Ah! So that's the Sea Beach. Let's go. So I want to start off by saying that take a breather and look at this view. Look at this. I think I want to start by going the other way. But hey, walk with me. So lately I've actually been on a journey of finding myself. And I'm starting to realize who I am. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I just know exactly who that is. But I'm at the point where I realize that I'm an angelic being, and I've been scared to embrace that. And you probably thinking like, why would you be scared to embrace the fact that you are an angelic being again? You know, like it's like I'm able to do all this other stuff, but it's like, why am I scared to embrace being angelic? You know? And honestly, look at the birds. Hold up. And honestly, I think maybe it was the way I was raised, everything that I was taught. It made me scared to really just embrace it. Them birds be killing me. Them birds need to keep still. Sometimes all you need is a good walk. Because life be getting overwhelming. Life really be life nowadays. And you can just be letting anything bring you down. That's shit, that's the even better than behind me is a cafe. I really want to start running, but it's like, I'm just tired. No shade. Is this another trail? Okay, so y'all see that, right? That is not grass. That's literally a pond. But it's like a bunch of grass in it. And that's tea. That right there is like a bunch of mirrors. And it's like, I want to go in there, but I just don't want to run into anybody. That's tea. Okay, so first of all, oh my god. Look at me. This is so cool. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. Ain't nothing I like more than just staring at myself. Oh, look at my little booty. Oh, baby, get that shit out your ass. I'm gonna stop. But that's amazing.
How's it feeling there? Like being in the
This is cool. See you later, girl. Now if I look at this video and I see she stared at me, girl, I'm gonna be through. Oh my god, why is somebody walking on a thing? I can't do that. It's a few things that it's a few places I will go, but not not on there. Like I might fall. So that's just something that I don't want to tell. Why don't y'all just stop right there? Like, what's tea? Look at this. This is amazing. That's literally how I look. Okay, so whew. This is kind of scary, but I'm gonna cross over. It don't seem like it's that deep, but it is. So she was in trance. This is beautiful. I'm just tired. Y'all, I literally had to create an evil eye. I made this yesterday because lately, like, it's like I woke up one day and I was just so drained. Like, I felt like somebody was doing some type of spiritual work on me. It just wasn't making sense. Like, I knew I wasn't in my own energy. God, this is beautiful. I can see. I thought somebody called my name. I'm finna go finish jogging. Oh my God, where's my headphone? I'm finna go finish jogging, and then after that, I'm just gonna go inside, take a bath, and then I'm gonna start another YouTube video, but this time I wanted to just talk about men. Yeah. I think running make my titties big, no shade. Like, they just, I don't know. But yeah.